Class 11, subject maths, coordinate geometry, chapter straight line. This theorem is called normal form of the equation of the straight line. Theorem is that find the equation of the straight line normal form. Normal means perpendicular. Find the equation of the straight line. Find the equation of a straight line whose length of perpendicular length of perpendicular from origin to the line, from origin to the line is P, and normal makes an angle normal makes an angle alpha with positive direction of x-axis, with positive direction of x-axis. This theorem is very important. With the help of this theorem, we can solve the many types of the problem. Find the equation of the straight line whose length of perpendicular from origin to the line is small p, and normal makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis. This theorem is called normal form. Now prove is that. Proof. Now the theorem is there. Let x and y are rectangular axis and L be a straight line. OP is length of perpendicular from origin to this line. OP जो है ये this angle is 90 degree. That is OP is perpendicular on AB. So P is given, normal is given. This OP is called a normal. Length of perpendicular from origin to the line AB. And this normal, this perpendicular makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis. The normal के साथ normal जो है x-axis के positive direction से alpha angle बनाता है. These are given in your statement of this theorem. So we have to find out the equation of the straight line AB or L. AB का equation find out करना है. The draw PM perpendicular on OX. L be a straight line. In height and OP is perpendicular from origin to the line A. Therefore, OP is equal to a small p units, and it is given that angle AOP is equal to alpha. Draw PM perpendicular on OX. By the definition of the coordinate, PM is perpendicular on OX and OP is perpendicular on AB. Therefore, this angle is 90 degree and this angle is alpha, which is acute angle, or this angle also acute. So, by the definition of coordinate, OM is equal to P cos alpha. Since cos alpha in triangle OMP, cos alpha is equal to B by H. तो अल्फा के सामने का जो साइन होगा वो परपेंडिकुलर होगा. PM is perpendicular and OM is the base. Therefore, OM बटा small p, OP. Therefore, OM is equal to P cos alpha. Now again, sin alpha is equal to P by H, and PM by small p. This implies that PM is equal to small p sin alpha. So by the OM is equal to P cos alpha and PM is equal to P sin alpha. OM given and PM given. So by the definition of the coordinate of P is P cos alpha and small p sin alpha. OM का वैल्यू, OM डिस्टेंस है, उसका भी मेजरमेंट है P cos alpha और PM का मेजरमेंट है P sin alpha. Therefore, the coordinate of P is P cos alpha into P cos alpha and P sin alpha. Now I want to find out the equation of the straight line L, that is L. makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis. Therefore, the gradient or slope of the normal perpendicular OP is tan alpha. कोई भी स्ट्रेट लाइन एक्स एक्सिस के पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन के साथ जो एंगल बनाता है तो उसका tan of this angle is called the slope of this straight line. Thus OP makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis. Then OP का जो slope होगा वो tan alpha होगा. M is equal to tan alpha. The slope of OP is equal to OP, M is equal to tan alpha. Since OP is perpendicular on AB, on L, so we know that when two lines are perpendicular to each other, that the product of the gradient, product of the slopes is equal to -1. इसका स्लोप मालूम है, तो इसका स्लोप AB का स्लोप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Because OP is perpendicular on AB, so let us suppose that the slope of AB is M1. Therefore, slope of AB यानी L is equal to -1 बटा slope of OP. Slope of OP is equal to -1 बटा M. Because M1 M2 is equal to -1. तो AB का स्लोप गिवन है और एक पॉइंट गिवन है, P cos alpha and P sin alpha. If the coordinates of a point P lies on this line, which coordinates are given, P cos alpha and P sin alpha, and slope is also given. The slope मालूम हो, एक point मालूम हो, the equation of the straight line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. The equation of straight line AB is equation of a straight line AB is, because slope is given and point is given, y minus y1 is equal to, इसको m1 मान लेते, is equal to m1, let m1 is equal to slope of A, m1 into x minus x1. Here x1 is equal to P cos alpha and y1 is equal to P sin alpha. Putting x1 is equal to P cos alpha and y1 is equal to P sin alpha, and m1 is equal to -1 over m. In equation first. Therefore, y minus y1 P sin alpha is equal to -1 over m into x minus P cos alpha. x1 का वैल्यू P cos alpha और y1 का वैल्यू P cos alpha, और AB का जो स्लोप है वो -1 बटे multiplication, a will multiplied by y, a will multiplied by p sin alpha. और a की जगह पर since a is equal to tan alpha, therefore y minus p sin alpha is equal to minus 1 बटा tan alpha into x minus p cos alpha. This can be written as minus cos alpha बटा sin alpha into x minus p cos alpha. By cross multiplication, y sin alpha minus p sin square alpha is equal to minus x cos alpha minus minus plus p cos square alpha. Now minus x cos alpha, it will take it on the left hand side, so it is positive. And minus p sin square alpha, it will take it on right hand side, so it is positive. So x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p cos square alpha plus p sin square alpha. P is common, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, and this is equal to P. This is the required equation of the straight line. ऐसा स्ट्रेट लाइन इक्वेशन है, दिस स्ट्रेट लाइन और दिस से परपेंडिकुलर P ड्रॉ किया गया है, और ये जो परपेंडिकुलर है वो अल्फा एंगल बनाता है एक्स एक्सिस के पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन के साथ, और इसका परपेंडिकुलर जो लेंथ है वो P पर, उसका लेंथ P है. तब इस स्ट्रेट लाइन का इक्वेशन होगा x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P, where P is called the length of perpendicular drawn from the origin to this line. Now some problems which are based on this formula. Now problem is that exercise 10.2 from NCERT, question number 8. Question 8 NCERT. Exercise 10.2. Question number 8. Perpendicular distance from origin is 5. From origin is 5 units. And we made by the angle made by the perpendicular with positive x-axis, with positive x-axis is 30 degree. Find the equation of this straight line. Find the equation of a straight line. Perpendicular distance from origin is 5. कोई स्ट्रेट लाइन है, इसमें लेंथ ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर P इक्वल टू 5, ये 90 डिग्री, और ये एंगल बनाता है 30. P गुड पॉइंट है इस पर, ये 90 डिग्री. It is given in your question that the length of perpendicular from the origin to this line is 5 units, and this length of perpendicular makes an angle 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis is 30 degree. So here answer. Alpha is equal to 30 degree, P is equal to 5 units. Equation of this straight line is x cross alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P, where x, y are arbitrary point on this line. So x cos 30 degree plus y sin 30 degree is equal to 5. वन पुट कर दीजिए, x into 3 by 2 plus y गुने 1 by 2 is equal to 5. This implies that 3x plus y is equal to 10. This is the required equation of this straight line. Answer. Now next question is that from NCERT. Next question is that Question number 16. 10.2, exercise 10.2. L centimeter of copper rod. Length L centimeter of copper rod is a linear function of Celsius. Is a linear function of Celsius. Temperature C. If L is equal to 124.942 when C is equal to 20. When L is equal to is 0.134 when C is equal to 110. Express L in terms of C. L in terms of C. C के फॉर्म में L को एक्सप्रेस कर L can be expressed in terms of C. From the question we see that a copper rod का length L और सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर सेल्सियस यूनिट में इसका टेम्परेचर C है। जब लेंथ इसका इंक्रीज करता है या डिक्रीज करता है तो उसका टेम्परेचर बढ़ता करता है। यानी जब इसका लेंथ 124.942 है तब उसका टेम्परेचर है 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस और जब इसका टेम्परेचर बढ़ करके वो 25.134 हो जाता है उसका लेंथ तो टेम्परेचर हो जाता है 110 सेल्सियस। तो इसमें एक्सप्रेस करना है L को C के फॉर्म में। लेंथ L क्वेश्चन क्या है? लेंथ L इज ए लिनियर फंक्शन ऑफ सेल्सियस C। जैसे y इक्वल टू mx प्लस c लिखते हैं, व्हाट डज इट मीन? कि ऐसा स्ट्रेट लाइन जो y एक्सिस को c पे इंटरसेक्ट करता है, तो इसका मतलब है कि इस स्ट्रेट लाइन का इक्वेशन है y is a linear function of x. C is constant है, which is a distance. This is called y is a linear function of x, where c and m are constant. So therefore, since L is a linear function of Celsius C, therefore you can write answer. Since L is a linear function of C, therefore L is equal to mx plus MC, here is a function of C. MC, here y is a function of x, but M and C are constant. MC लेंगे, x की जगह पर C, because it is given in your question that L is a function of C. So here L, y is a function of x, M and C are constant. Then यहाँ x की जगह पर C लेंगे, और C की जगह पर D लेंगे, ठीक है? Where C is equal to D and x is equal to C. तो जब लेंथ उसका 124 है, अब L की जगह पर 124 रखेंगे, 0.942, तो C की जगह पर 20 लिखेंगे, 20m प्लस D. अब जब लेंथ उसका 125 है, 134, तो C का वैल्यू है 110, यानी 110m प्लस D. तो हमको इसमें m का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है और D का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. अगर m और D का वैल्यू फाइंड हो जाएगा तो इसमें वैल्यू C रहेगा, क्योंकि हमको एक्सप्रेस L इन टर्म्स ऑफ C, L को C के फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस करना है, इसलिए M और D को ओमिट करना होगा. This is your equation first and this is your equation. Subtracting 1 from 2. Subtracting 1 from 2. Therefore, we can write 125.134 में से 122.942 माइनस करेंगे, तो 2 आएगा, 4 में से 2 गया 2, 3 में से 9 गया, 13 में से 4 गया 9, और 10 में से 9 गया 1, और ये हो गया 4 में से 4 गया 0.192 is equal to 110 में से 20 गया 90 m, and d cancel 1 by subtracting 1 from 2, d cancel, और 110 m में से 20 m माइनस करेंगे तो 90 m बचेगा, और 125 माइनस 125.134 में से 124.942 माइनस करेंगे तो 0.192. Therefore, m is equal to 0.192 बटा 9. This gives the value of m. अब हमको d का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. अब इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में n का वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे तो d का वैल्यू निकल जाएगा. इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में m का पुटिंग m is equal to this, using first we get using these in first. Therefore 124.942 is equal to 20 में 0.192 बटा 90 plus d. Therefore d is equal to D is equal to 124.942 minus 0.192 बटा 90 गुणित 20। इसको सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे, ऐसे रहने देंगे। अब इस D और M का वैल्यू इक्वेशन L इज इक्वल टू MC प्लस D में पुट कर देंगे। Putting the value of M and D in L बराबर MC प्लस D, इसमें इसका वैल्यू पुट करेंगे। L इज इक्वल टू C रहेगा, M का वैल्यू 0.192 बटा 90C और D का वैल्यू 124.942 माइनस 0.192 बटा 90 गुणित 20। ठीक है, अब 0.192 बटा 90 कॉमन है दोनों में, इस टर्म में और इसमें एक कॉमन फाइनल टर्म। Therefore, L is equal to 0.192 bata 90 as the common from first and last term. This gives C minus 20 plus 124.94. This is the required answer of this question. L can be expressed in terms of C, and 0.192 bata 90 or 124.942 are the constants. So this denotes that L is expressed as the L is expressed in terms of C. This is your answer. Okay. Now next question is that do exercise 10.2 from NCERT.